I'm originally from Sri Lanka. American dreams, like you have guts, and if you work hard and honest, you can definitely come up. If you don't make it in New York, you're not gonna make it. Spoon and napkin, baby. My name is like Kandaswamy Thirukumar. People call me as Dosa Man and Thiru also. Yeah. First in the United States, I was doing construction. That's why I still use that tool here. See? Yeah, like a plaster knife. Yeah. Yours is spicy the masala, right? Washington Square Park, not that bad anymore. Used to be very bad, you know. In mafia time and stuff, it's really bad. Drug dealers and even some hustlers, you know. In the beginning, they give me a hard time too. So I told them, listen, you know, I worked in Brooklyn, East New York. That's my first job in the United States, pumping gas, you know. You imagine in 90s, 95, you know how it is. Crepe made out of rice and lentil, filled with potato, and then served with the coconut chutney and a lentil soup. It's 11 different veggies in the lentil. People say meat have energy, but if you have good vegan food, and you know, you will feel more energy. I can challenge anybody. I work like since 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock, same speed. I don't like restaurant. I like to be with the people. You know, I like to see he's buying food. I want to direct deal with him. You know, if it's a restaurant, it's different. Somebody else take the order, so I cannot provide what is he needs. You know. So he's right here, so like whatever he needs, I can provide exactly he wants. So he can be happy, I can be happy. Then he tell more people. That's how I build my fan club, you know. Yeah, all around the world. Okay, this is it. This is special Jaffna lunch for the gentleman over here. It's like herbal pancakes. This is the only place you can have it in the cart. No one's make this one. This is my grandmother recipe. It's like 3 different lentils and 3 different rice, natural herbs, everything in the crepe, in the batter. Because you know, thing is like if I all go large like restaurant, then I have to listen to the investors. I cannot do what I want to do. Right now I am happy and peaceful, so I want this life to be very nice, you know, just to stick with it.